everyone, it's me again, VA Jessie or JAZZLYN LOZADA of Telecrew Outsourcing. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel and thank you for dropping by. This channel is all about virtual assistants and also providing work from home tips, sales and phone skills improvement, and anything related to freelancing or working from home. As I always tell you in the beginning of my videos, I am the Chief Operating Officer of Telecrew Outsourcing, and we are a virtual staffing agency from the Philippines, and we offer different types of services to small and medium-sized businesses. We provide appointment setting, outbound sales, lead generation, telemarketing, customer service, and many other virtual assistant tasks. If you are interested to know more, please visit our website at telecrewoutsourcing.com. This video is for small-sized businesses or startups, mom and pop shops that I'd like to reach out to and tell more about the benefits of hiring a virtual assistant. Today, we're going to talk about why it's to your benefit to hire a virtual assistant for your small business and why you should do it through an agency. Common issues for business startups or for mom and pop shops include limited resources, lack of expertise in certain areas, and time management challenges. Outsourcing a virtual assistant can help with these issues by providing cost-effective support in areas such as administrative tasks, customer service, social media management, and bookkeeping, and this would also free up time for the business owner to focus on core activities and strategic planning. Additionally, virtual assistants can bring specialized skills and expertise to your business, such as marketing or graphic design, which is not always available in-house. There are several benefits of hiring a virtual assistant for your small business, and here are some of the benefits of hiring a virtual assistant. Cost savings. Virtual assistants often charge lower rates than in-house employees, and you only pay them for the hours worked. Increased efficiency. By outsourcing administrative or repetitive tasks, you can focus on more important tasks that require your attention. Flexibility. You can hire a virtual assistant on a part-time or full-time basis, depending on your business needs. Access to specialized skills. Virtual assistants can bring specialized skills for your business, such as digital marketing or graphic design. Hiring a virtual assistant through an agency can provide additional benefits, such as, of course, you can make sure that the candidates are pre-screened. Agencies like our company typically pre-screen candidates to ensure that they have the necessary skills and experiences. You also have backup support. If your virtual assistant is unavailable due to illness or other reasons, the agency can provide backup support. Training and support. Agencies may provide training and support for their virtual assistants, ensuring they are equipped to handle the tasks assigned to them. Reduced risk. Working with an agency can reduce the risk of hiring the wrong person, as they have a pool of candidates to choose from and can replace a virtual assistant if necessary. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video for today. I hope that I was able to enlighten you and help you understand why it is to your benefit to get a virtual assistant for your business. If you think that you are ready for this, if you think that you want to bring your business to the next level, please go ahead and email me at info@telecrewoutsourcing.com so we can have a discovery call and we can talk about your needs and how we can help you as a company. If you are a candidate and you want to know if we are hiring, yes, we are. We're always on the lookout for talented individuals. Please visit our website at telecrewoutsourcing.com and click on Apply Now. Thank you so much and have a great day until my next video. Bye!